P block elements 2. Structure of ozone. We know ozone is called trioxygen and ozone molecular formula is O3. It has a bend structure. Ozone has a bend structure, and we are going to see this in this video, how to draw the structure of ozone. Ozone molecule have a bend shape and symmetrical with delocalized bonding between the oxygen atom. The ozone molecule have a bend shape and symmetrical with delocalized bonding between the oxygen atom. Now we are going to see how to draw the structure of ozone O3 trioxygen. O3. Structure of ozone, molecular formula O3 trioxygen. Oxygen atomic number 8, electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p4. Number of valency electron in oxygen equal to 6. Number of valence electron in oxygen equal to 6. We have 3 oxygen in ozone, therefore 3 into 6 equal to 18 total number of valence electron in O3. How to draw the structure of ozone? Oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. O3. In Lewis structure, first the atoms are joined by using a single bond. The atoms are joined by using a single bond. A bond containing 2 electrons, so 2 bond containing 4 electron minus 4 is equal to 14 electrons we have. That 14 electrons are used to fill as lone pair of electron on oxygen atom to fulfill the octet. Around this oxygen atom we have only 1 pair of electron, so 3 pair of electron as lone pair on this oxygen atom. Around this oxygen atom there is only 1 pair of electron, that bond pair, so remaining 3 pair of electron. 6 plus 6, 12 electrons are over. We have only 2 electron, that 2 electrons are present on this oxygen atom as lone pair of electron. From this we can draw 2 structure. This oxygen now does not get octet, 2, 4, 6 only. So to get octet, any one lone pair of electron is converted into bond pair. Any one lone pair of electron is converted into bond pair. So you will get one structure, oxygen, oxygen, here double bond oxygen. Still 1 pair of electron. Here 1 lone pair is converted into bond pair, therefore remaining 2 lone pair of electron, 6 lone pair of electrons. Now count the number of individual electron around each element. Oxygen there must be 6 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Shortage of 1 electron is indicated by positive charge. So the center oxygen get positive charge. The center oxygen get positive charge due to the shortage of 1 electron. Then count the number of electron around this oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No plus or minus on this oxygen. Now come to this oxygen. Around this oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electron. Excess of 1 electron is indicated by negative charge. So one more resonance or canonical structure for ozone. I am drawing the same structure in this oxygen, here 1 oxygen, here 1 oxygen. How many electrons? 1 pair of electron. In this each oxygen there are 3 pair of electron. Each oxygen there are 3 pair of electron. Instead of this lone pair, if this lone pair is converted into the bond, You will get another canonical structure, resonance structure for ozone, oxygen. Here you have one oxygen, there you have one oxygen, one pair of electron on the center oxygen. After conversion of a lone pair into bond pair, this oxygen has only two lone pair. Here a double bond is formed between these two oxygen. No change in the lone pair of electron. So count the number of electron around this oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One electron shortage is indicated by a positive charge. Now this oxygen, there is no change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electron. Come to this oxygen, 2, 4, 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Excess of one electron is indicated by negative charge. So this is the structure of ozone. Ozone has a bend shape structure symmetrical with delocalized bonding between the oxygen atoms. Thank you.